Hey traders, have you ever felt limited by the standard time frames on your MT4 charts? Well, today I'm going to show you how custom time frames can completely revolutionize your trading strategy. Whether you trade Forex, indices, or commodities, customizing your time frames can give you a sharper edge and deeper insight. Stick around to learn how you can tailor your charts to suit your exact style of trading. Let's dive in. To start, revamping your MT4 chart experience by incorporating custom time frames is an absolute game changer. Why settle for the standard 5-minute, 15-minute, or daily charts when you can tweak them to perfectly match your strategy? With custom time frames, you get improved analysis, deeper insights that align with your trading goals, optimized trades, tailor your entries and exits for higher precision, increase flexibility, adapt your charts based on market conditions and strategies. Imagine being able to fine-tune your analysis to the exact second that matters most. That's the power of custom time frames. Setting up custom time frames in MT4 is easier than you think. Here's how you do it. Focus on relevant time frames. Make sure to choose time frames that directly suit your strategy, whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Combine time frames. Use multiple custom time frames to give yourself a well-rounded view of market trends. Fine-tune your settings. Experiment with different periods and save your custom time frames for easy access later. Now, let's make your charts work for you, not the other way around. Let's talk strategy. Custom time frames can be powerful, but only when used the right way. Here are 3 strategies you should keep in mind. Optimize time frames for the asset. Not all assets react the same to time frames. Adjust your custom settings based on whether you're trading Forex, stocks, or commodities. Combine time frames for a comprehensive analysis. Use a mix of short, medium, and long-term time frames to get a broader view of market trends. Fine-tune entries and exits. Custom time frames allow you to pinpoint perfect moments to enter or exit trades with precision. Don't forget, every asset has its sweet spot. Test different combinations and see what works best for you. But beware, traders. Custom time frames aren't foolproof. Avoid these common mistakes. Avoid gaps in data. Always ensure that your custom time frame generator is pulling complete data to prevent misleading gaps in your analysis. Double-check settings. Make sure the custom time frame you've set is properly calibrated. One small error can throw off your entire strategy. Monitor for consistency. Regularly review your custom time frames to catch any inconsistencies or data lags. Stay sharp and avoid these pitfalls so you can get the most out of your customized charts. Now, let's boost your efficiency even further. Combining custom time frames with technical tools like Bollinger Bands and MACD can help you spot trends quicker and execute better trades. Try these tips. Use multiple indicators for confirmation. Add indicators to validate your custom time frame signals. Set alerts. Never miss a key trade. Set alerts for important price levels or indicator crossovers. Save templates. Don't waste time resetting charts. Save your custom setups as templates to use across different assets. With these tools, you'll take your trading game to the next level. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and join our trading community for more expert tips. Got questions on custom time frames? Drop them in the comments below. To recap, custom time frames can take your MT4 charting to the next level by providing improved analysis, optimized trade execution, and greater flexibility. Just make sure to avoid common mistakes and pair your custom time frames with technical indicators for maximum impact. And remember, this is just the start. In our next video, we'll dive into advanced strategies to combine custom time frames with algorithmic trading. You won't want to miss it. So hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy trading.